Hey everybody, thanks for clicking in. If you're looking for affordable, easy Caribbean living, this is your spot. We're in Estate Carlton at the Carlton Condominiums. Beautiful pool, lots of parking, and this particular unit is on the southeast corner of the complex for the ultimate in privacy. You got a nice patio out front, beautiful flamboyant trees, and gorgeous landscaping, and it's a close walk to the pool. I tell you what, if you're looking for something in the more affordable range and you want to be on St. Croix, close to the West End and the most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean, this is your shot. Let's go check it out. All right guys, today we're gonna start out by the pool. Follow me. This is a really nice pool area. Check this out. Now, it's centered in the middle of the complex, and the beauty of this unit is it's close to the pool, but it's off in that corner. But check this out. It's a really nice patio, lots of chairs, and gorgeous landscaping. All right, let's head back up to the unit and check that out. Okay, here we are at the unit. Check this out. Really nice yard space, gorgeous landscaping, and there's the unit itself right there. Got the living room, kitchen area, bedroom there, and then right around the corner, all of this side yard. Beautiful date palm, flamboyant tree, coconuts galore. And then here we are looking back towards the pool area, and then straight into the unit. Love it. Lower level, easy walk, easy in and easy out. All right, let's head on in, check it out. Okay, straight in we come, into the living room. Nice, spacious living room, comfortable couch, pass through to the kitchen, AC up above, lots of island vibes. Oh yeah. Nice. And then here you are into the front door. Let me open that up real quick. Goodbye, just joking. Looking out to the entrance area. Digital keypad, which is real nice. And then straight into the kitchen. Pantry to the left. Nice LG fridge. Beautiful arch out to the living area. And then here's the kitchen right here in the corner. Very nice. And then this used to actually be a bathroom. It was converted into a laundry room. So you've got your water filters, you got a hot water heater, full-size washer, dryer, really nice, and it gives you also a lot of storage. That's a sure thing. All right, let's shoot across. Check out the bedroom and bath. Right out of the living room into a really big bedroom. Now remember, these were two hotel rooms at one time, so the living room and the bedroom are exactly the same size. I love these reading lights on the wall here. Check these out. You can dim them down right here. And then at night, this is a night light, believe it or not. You see that? That's a nice little, see that? And you can dim it. Those are really, I've never seen those before, and there's one on each side of the bed there. I love that feature. Another AC unit, lots of closets. And then into a little entry area. Storage closet here, lots of bonus room. And then into the walk-in closet. And then of course here, we've got a full-size comfortable shower, vanity, nicely set up. Lots of extra space here, love that. All right, that's the unit. One bedroom, one bath here at Estate Carlton, Carlton Condos. You got your grill out here. You got Stephanie hanging in a chair there. Full-length patio goes all the way to that column right there. More storage there again. And then here we are looking back at the patio and the gardens. You know, I noticed when I was coming in here, check this out. There's a pineapple. Not quite ready, but Steph, when this thing's ready, we're gonna pluck it and eat it. You game? Yes! Check that out. Your own pineapple. So cool. All right, guys, if you wanna check it out, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. And in the meantime, have an awesome St. Croix Day. Until next time, bye-bye. I told you, this place for the price is a really good option if you want to be close to the beautiful beaches of St. Croix. Let us know how you like it. Give us your feedback below. We'd love to hear what your favorite part of it was. And remember, the details for this property are in the description below. So look for list price, HOA fees, and stuff like that down there. And remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd appreciate it. And if you want to check out more videos, click right up here. Thanks a lot. And until next time, have a beautiful Caribbean day.